Daughters are the most beautiful and magical creations in their parents' life. A daughter brightens and softens her mother and father's heart. She adds color, sound, and beauty to make this earth a better place. Happy Daughters Day to all the RCTNE daughters and their proud parents. From President Rahul Khandelwal and entire team, RCTNE. Let's hear what our proud parents are saying about their daughters.
Hi Panna, this is a surprise for you. No matter how old you are, you will always remain my baby girl. Always be strong, happy and self-motivated to achieve your goals. You are such a loving and sweet girl. You are our strength. Love you dear.
Hi Babudia. You are the most beautiful gift God has bestowed upon both of us. You are and will always remain the only reason for us to smile. You are our happiness and you mean the world to us. We wish you all the happiness in wherever and whichever corner of the world you are in. Stay happy, stay blessed. On this beautiful day, a special gift for you from both of us. Happy Daughters Day, Pawni.
Our daughter Sanika, you know the meaning of her name is flute, means बांसुरी. जब से वो हमारे घर में पैदा हुई है तब से वो खुशियों की बांसुरी है और खुशियाँ बांटती आई है वो. You know, God has blessed us with a very beautiful daughter. When we look at her, we get tears of joy and very, very pure happiness. You know, she makes me the happiest woman in the world with her smile, hugs, and cries. Love you, Sanu. Love you, Guda. Happy Daughters Day, Sanu. God bless you.
We are so blessed to have Sanika with us. भगवान का बहुत बहुत शुक्र है कि उसने ये देवी के रूप में सानिका हमारे परिवार में भेजी. बेटियां सच में जिंदगी भर के लिए बेटियां होती हैं. Daughter is a daughter for the life. Happy Daughters Day to all of you.
Happy Daughters Day to everyone.
God bless.
My daughter Isha is my entire world. The first face I see after I wake up in the morning. She is the most important part of my life, my best friend and my sunshine. Omnipresent, whether she is actually around or not. She is 21, but I feel 21 with her.
Isha is like a cool breeze on a hot summer day. She is like a rainbow after the rains. She adds color to our lives.
Happy Daughters Day!
Happy Daughters Day!
Hi Lasya, hi Avya. We are so happy both of you have come into our world.
You are our adventure, our romance, our childhood, our dreams, our action, and our wonderland.
And we hope that both of you
Chota Packets
will grow up in this world and create Bada Dhamakas. Happy Daughters Day!
Dare all your dreams. Always believe in yourself. Uncover hidden talents. Go on achievements. Have fun and be happy. Treasure tiny miracles. Embrace life. Reach for the star. That's how the daughter defined herself. No words can describe a warm memory, the pride and gratitude too that comes from having a daughter to love, to cherish. Just like you, just like you, just like you.
Our daughter, our pride.
Love you.
कहीं पढ़ा था मैंने कि आदमी के 100 भाग्य होते हैं, उसमें से अगर एक भाग्य जागता है तो बेटा पैदा होता है, अगर 100 भाग्य जागते हैं तो बेटी पैदा होती है. इसीलिए बेटी को सौभाग्य बोलते हैं. 100 भाग्य जागते हैं तो एक बेटी पैदा होती है. अगर आपके भी घर में बेटी है तो आप भी सौभाग्यवान हो. daughters are a beautiful gift of God to a human being. I love my daughter to my heart. इसीलिए बेटी की विदाई कभी कोई बाप हंस के नहीं करता है, हमेशा रो के ही करता है.
When my daughter was born, I was so happy that I can't explain in words. Happy Daughter's Day.
Happy Daughter's Day to all the beautiful daughters on this earth.
Hi, this is Kishore and my wife Usha Kalyani. My daughter is very focused and she is very determined to do her management subjects, and I wish her very prosperous year ahead and bright future.
Actually, having Harshita in our life, I feel we are blessed to have her as our daughter. She is always very positive and adjusting nature, and in school till college completion, I was never summoned to school or college for doing anything. I really feel happy to have her in my life.
I am Kiran Salgaonkar, parents of Prarthana Salgaonkar.
हाय, आय एम सीमा सालगावकर. मला माझ्या मुलीबद्दल सांगायचं असेल तर ती खरंच आमच्यासाठी गॉड गिफ्ट आहे. ती माझी चांगली फ्रेंड आहे. आम्ही खूप गोष्टींवर डिस्कस करत असतो. ती मल्टी टॅलेंटेड आहे. तिला क्रिकेट खेळायला तर खूप आवडतं. पोएम, भरतकाम, ड्रॉइंग ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टीमध्ये ती खूप एन्जॉय करते. ती नेहमीच तिचे विचार खूप पॉझिटिव्ह असतात.
तिचे विचार पॉझिटिव्ह असतात, त्याबरोबर ती एक चांगल्या मनाची मुलगी आहे आणि तिला आयुष्यामध्ये पुढे जाण्याकरता मी ऑल द बेस्ट देतो. आणि तिला सायक्रॅटिस्ट व्हायचं आहे. तिने याच्यापुढे खूप मेहनत करावी आणि असंच पुढे खूप काही नवीन गोष्टी शिकत राहाव्यात तिने. ऑल द बेस्ट प्रार्थना फॉर हर.